guys, welcome to another video. As usual, I'm in the car heading somewhere. Vanny's in the back there. There she is. Place is hot these days, like really hot. Hotter than I remember. I just really felt the need to go into some river water. You know, we had a few options. One was driving all the way to Ochi, but we decided to drive into the countryside and come down to Roaromg River. That's where we're heading now. We just drove through the hills and we're in the plains. We're very close actually, going into Roaromg River. Some time since we came to Roaromg River. I think the last time my family was here, my son and my wife was here. So a few years ago. The road has gotten, in certain areas, really bad. The weather in Jamaica is so weird because if you look on this side, oh look at those cows, you'll see blue skies. And if you look over here, you're obviously seeing where the rain is falling, and I just saw lightning hitting. So you can see the difference right there. So I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's lightning and thunder and whatnot, so I'm not even sure I'm going to get time to go and bathe because the road to come in here is pretty bad, and you know I don't want water to come down the road, so I might actually just get some video and head back up the road. So I drive up to the top, and this is the spring. Goes down like 160 feet. That water comes up naturally from the ground, eh? Clean water. Nobody swims here because they use it for drinking and whatnot. Just walking along the river here from the top, from the spring. See the powerful river behind me, Roaromg River. Really nice. It's a good reminder of how beautiful this island is, you know. Check that out. Alright, so we went to Roaromg River, we just took some video and whatnot, and then on the way home we were really hungry and we stopped by Border Jerk, and that was really good. It's one of the best jerk chicken we've had in some time. So now that we've eaten, we're heading home.